What are nouns? Do you know the four types of nouns and how to use them correctly? Let's learn in just a few minutes with examples, a quiz, and a free worksheet. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Everything around you, and even thoughts or feelings, can be nouns. Here you can see some examples of nouns in each category. A person can be anyone, for example, teacher, doctor, or mother. A place can be anywhere, such as school, park, or a supermarket. A thing is anything that you can see or touch, like phone, chair, or book. And an idea is something you cannot see but you can feel or think about, such as love, happiness, or freedom. Types of nouns. Nouns can be common or proper. Common nouns are general names like cat, city, or month. Proper nouns are specific names like Shakespeare, London, or January, and they always begin with a capital letter. Type 2. Some nouns are countable, which means you can count them one by one. For example, one apple, two apples, one chair, two chairs, one book, two books. You can add a number in front of them and they have a plural form. But other nouns are uncountable. You cannot count them individually. For example, you can't say one rice or two rices. You also can't say one water or two waters. These nouns do not have a plural form because they are seen as a whole or a substance, not separate pieces. So we say some rice, some water, some information, or any other suitable quantifier. Type 3. Concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are things you can see or touch, like a baby, a blanket, or a toy. Abstract nouns are ideas or feelings like love, freedom, or happiness. Type 4. Collective nouns. A collective noun describes a group acting as one unit, like a group, a team, a family, or a class. To talk about more than one noun, we use plurals. Some plurals are regular, we simply add s. But irregular plurals change completely, like child becomes children, or mouse becomes mice. These are very important for speaking and writing correctly. However, be careful. Some nouns never become plural in English. We don't say informations or advices, we say information and advice. The same with homework and furniture. Let's test your understanding. Question number 1. Which of these is a proper noun? A. Country. B. Italy. C. City. The answer is Italy. Question number 2. Choose the uncountable noun. A. Water. B. Cup. C. Student. The answer is water. Question number 3. Which is a collective noun? A. Happiness. B. Team. C. Dog. The answer is team. Question number 4. Which of these is an abstract noun? A. Pencil. B. Teacher. C. Friendship. The answer is friendship. Great job, everyone. Don't forget to download your free worksheet in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple grammar lessons every week. See you in the next one.